Hello everyone. If you are someone who is visiting this channel for the very first time, let me introduce you to what we do here. Here I discuss topic-wise questions that have been asked in UPSC Civil Services Exam, CDS, CAPF, CISS, NDA and UP PCS. So basically all these exams are conducted by UPSC. When the commission is same, questions and syllabus is also somehow similar. So questions asked in these exams are often repeated in each other. Let's move to our first question. Which among the following is not a fundamental right under Constitution of India? Right to equality, it is. Right to freedom, it is. Right to citizenship, no, right to citizenship is not a fundamental right. अगर ऐसा होता तो स्टेट किसी की भी सिटीजनशिप कैंसिल नहीं कर पाता, टर्मिनेट नहीं कर पाता. नेक्स्ट, राइट अगेंस्ट एक्सप्लॉयटेशन, यस. सो राइट टू citizenship is your answer. Next, one of the implications of equality in society is absence of privileges, restraints, competition, ideology. आइडियोलॉजी की एब्सेंस इक्वालिटी को तो प्रमोट नहीं करेगी. इक्वालिटी का होने का मतलब ये नहीं है कि एब्सेंस ऑफ आइडियोलॉजी हो. रेस्ट्रेंट्स, अगर आप किसी को रेस्ट्रेन नहीं करेंगे तो वो कहीं ना कहीं दूसरे की इक्वालिटी को हैम्पर करेगा. दिस कैन नॉट बी योर आंसर. कंपटीशन नहीं होना इक्वालिटी नहीं है. प्रिविलेजेस, दिस इज योर आंसर. Equality basically means absence of any special privilege to any section of society, as well as provisions of adequate opportunities to all the individuals without any discrimination. Next, which of the following are envisaged by rights against exploitation in Constitution of India? There are only two articles under right against exploitation, Article 23 and 24. Article 23 says prohibition of traffic in human being and forced labor. So one is right. Abolition of untouchability, no. Protection of the interest of minorities, no. Prohibition of unemployment of children in factories and mines. This is Article 24. So this is right. According to this, no child below the age of 14 years shall be employed to work in any factory, mine, or any other hazardous occupation. So 1 and 4 only is your answer. Next, which one of the following statements are correct? Rights are claims of state against citizens. State की claims against citizen. क्या स्टेट हमारे ऊपर फंडामेंटल राइट को वायलेट करने का केस कर सकता है? नो, दिस इज इनकरेक्ट. राइट्स आर प्रिविलेजेस विच आर इनकॉर्पोरेटेड इन द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ऑफ स्टेट. ये कुछ सही हो सकता है. राइट्स आर क्लेम्स ऑफ सिटीजन्स अगेंस्ट स्टेट. सिटीजन्स क्लेम्स ऑफ स्टेट सिटीजन अगेंस्ट स्टेट. यस, दिस इज राइट. राइट्स आर प्रिविलेजेस ऑफ फ्यू सिटीजन्स अगेंस्ट मैनी. नो, not of few citizens, they are of all the citizens. So C is your answer. Next, which of one of the following statement about the provision of Constitution of India is correct? Minorities can establish and administer educational institutes of their choice. Yes. Article 30 provides that all minorities, religious or linguistic, have all the rights to establish, and administer educational institutes of their choice. So this is Article 30. This is correct. Only linguistic, ethnic and religious minorities find under Article 30. No, there is no mention of ethnic minority. Every religious denomination has unfettered right to establish and maintain institutions for religious and charitable purpose. No, every religious denomination don't have this right. An educational institute established by religious minority loses its minority status on receiving financial aid from the government. No, it is still considered as minority institution. So A is your answer. Next. Which one of the following statements regarding Article 21 of the Constitution of India are correct? Article 21 is violated when the under trial prisoner are detained under judicial custody for an indefinite period. Yes, आप indefinite period के लिए किसी को judicial custody में नहीं रख सकते हैं. So this is correct, sorry. Right to life is one of the basic human right and not even the state has the authority to violate that right. Yes, under Article 21, the right of a woman to make reproductive choices is not a dimension of personal liberty. Yes, this is why we have abortion laws in our country. This question is not complete. I think इसका answer होगा 1, 2 and 3. All are correct. Next, which one of the following statements relating to protection against arrest and detention of individuals under Article 22 is not correct? So what are the provisions of Article 22? Right to be informed of the ground of arrest. Right to be informed the ground of arrest. Then right to consult and be defended by a legal practitioner. Right to be produced before magistrate within 24 hours, including the journey time. Right to be released after 24 hours unless magistrate authorizes further detention. So, let's see the options. No person who is arrested shall be detained in custody without being informed on the grounds of such arrest. Yes. No person shall be denied the right to consult and be defended by a legal practitioner of his choice. Yes, correct. Every person who is arrested and detained in custody shall be produced before the nearest magistrate within a period of 1 week of such arrest. No, the time for this is 24 hours. The right to protection against arrest is not available to a person in jail pursuant to a judicial order. Yes. So C is not correct and this is your answer. Next. Which one of the following statement are correct regarding the right to education in India? Free and compulsory education should be provided to all the children of age 6 to 14 years. Yes. The imperative of the Provision of Right to Education Act 2009 is that schools must have qualified teachers and basic infrastructure. Yes. There should be quality education without any discrimination on the grounds of economic, social and cultural background. Yes. All 1, 2 and 3 are correct. Next. Article 21 of the Constitution of India includes rights of transgenders, rights of craniopagus twins, rights of mentally retarded women to bear a child. Yes. Article 21 says that no person shall be deprived of his or her life or personal liberty except according to the procedure established by law. So, no person include all of these. None of these can be deprived of their life or personal liberty. So, 1, 2 and 3 is your answer. Next. The fundamental rights guaranteed in the Constitution of India can be suspended only by a proclamation of national emergency, an act passed by the Parliament, an amendment to the Constitution of India, the judicial decisions of Supreme Court. They can be suspended only by a proclamation of national emergency. During national emergency, fundamental rights that are specified in presidential order are suspended except Article 20 and 21. So, during national emergency, presidential order, president एक order pass करते हैं, उसमें लिखा होता है जो भी आपके फंडामेंटल राइट्स सस्पेंड किए जा रहे हैं उनका मेंशन होता है. सिर्फ वही फंडामेंटल राइट्स जो है सस्पेंड होते हैं, बाकी सारे फंडामेंटल राइट्स एज इट इज रहते हैं. नेक्स्ट. Which one of the following statement is not correct about the right to constitutional remedies under Article 32? It is a right for the enforcement of fundamental rights. Yes. The Supreme Court has the power to issue writs under this provision. Yes, correct. The right guaranteed by this article cannot be suspended. No, we have seen that they can be suspended only during the national emergency. The Parliament can empower any other court to exercise the powers of issuing writs under this provision. Yes, this is correct. And you should remember this. So C is your answer. Next. In which one of the following articles does the Constitution of India abolish untouchability and its practice in any form? This is Article 17. Article 17 abolishes untouchability and forbids it in any form. Article 18 is abolishes title except military and academic. Article 19, we have seen many times, it provides 6 rights of freedom of speech and expression, right to assemble peaceably without arms, then right to form associations, and right to move freely throughout the country, right to reside in any part of India, and right to practice any profession or to carry out any trade or occupation. And Article 15 is prohibition of discrimination on the grounds of religion, race, caste, sex और प्लेस ऑफ बर्थ. इसको लोगों को लर्न करने में प्रॉब्लम होती है कि आर्टिकल 19 सीक्वेंस वाइज कैसे लर्न करें. तो इसको आप ऐसे लर्न कर सकते हैं. पहले आपको स्पीच और एक्सप्रेशन की फ्रीडम मिलेगी, उसके बाद ही आप असेंबल हो पाएंगे. जब आप असेंबल होंगे फिर आप एसोसिएशंस और यूनियंस बनाने के बारे में सोचेंगे. ये वाला थोड़ा अलग करना पड़ेगा कि आप कहीं घूमने जाएंगे, आपको पूरे इंडिया की टेरिटरी में घूमने का फ्रीली यू हैव द राइट. फिर आप जब घूमने गए, आपको कोई जगह पसंद आ गई तो वहाँ आप रहने लगे जाके, रिजाइड एंड सेटल. और जब आप वहाँ पे रहने लगे तो आप वहाँ पर कुछ भी ट्रेड या प्रोफेशन कोई ना कोई प्रैक्टिस करेंगे ही अपने इकोनॉमिक इंडिपेंडेंस के लिए. तो यू कैन लर्न इट दिस वे. अगर आपने ये वीडियो यहाँ तक देखा, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग. बी हैप्पी, हैव अ नाइस डे. थैंक यू.